No feedback row exists yet, so target median is unknown. I can see the daily challenge UI and a cookie banner blocking the lower area, so I will accept cookies first and then make a broad anchor guess. Inception is a high-signal starter with well-known year, rating, genres, actors, and director that helps narrow quickly. This batch focuses the search, selects the title from the dropdown, and clicks the guess button to ensure the guess registers. Type card is green. My guess, Inception is a movie, so target median equals movie. Year is farther and the down arrow means the target is older than 2010. Rating is within 0.5 and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 8.8. Overlap shown. No green genre pills are visible among action, adventure, sci-fi, so none of those overlap. No actors overlap among Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page. No director overlap for Christopher Nolan. Constraints. The target is a movie released before 2010 and more than 2 years away from 2010. Has IMDb rating below 8.8 but within 0.5, so roughly 8.3 to 8.7, and it does not share action, adventure, or sci-fi nor those listed cast or director. Avoid repeating Inception. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Type card is green. My guess, Gladiator is a movie, so target median equals movie. Year is farther and the down arrow means the target is older than 2000. Rating is within 0.5 and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 8.5. Overlap shown. Drama is green. Action and adventure are not on target. No actors overlap among Russell Crowe, Joaquin Phoenix, Connie Nielsen, and no director overlap for Ridley Scott. Constraints. The target is a movie released before 2000 and more than 2 years away from 2000. Has IMDb rating below 8.5 but within 0.5, so roughly 8.0 to 8.4. Includes drama and does not include action or adventure nor those listed cast or director. Avoid repeating Gladiator. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest row shows the target is older than 2000 by more than 2 years, rating is lower than 8.5 but within 0.5, and drama overlaps while action and adventure do not. American Beauty is a strong late 1990s drama with an IMDb rating in the 8.0 to 8.4 band, which should test whether the target is a prestige drama and may reveal cast or director overlap. Type card is green. My guess, American Beauty is a movie, so target median equals movie. Year is farther and the down arrow means the target is older than 1999. Rating is same because 8.3 is green with no arrow. Overlap shown. Drama is green. No actors overlap among Kevin Spacey, Annette Bening, and Thora Birch, and no director overlap for Sam Mendes. Constraints. The target is a movie released before 1999 by more than 2 years. As IMDb rating exactly 8.3, includes drama and does not include those listed actors or Sam Mendes. Avoid repeating American Beauty. Type card is green, so target median equals movie. The latest feedback shows the target is older than 1999 by more than 2 years. The rating matches exactly at 8.3, and drama overlaps while the listed American Beauty cast and Sam Mendes do not. Type card is green. My guess, Taxi Driver is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther and the down arrow means the target is older than 1976. Rating is within 0.5 and the up arrow means the target rating is higher than 8.2. Overlap shown. Drama is green and crime is not on target. No actors overlap among Robert De Niro, Jodie Foster, and Sybil Shepherd, and no director overlap for Martin Scorsese. Constraints. The target is a movie released before 1976 by more than 2 years. As IMDb rating above 8.2 and within 0.5, so likely 8.3. Includes drama and does not include crime nor those listed actors or Martin Scorsese. Avoid repeating Taxi Driver. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest visible feedback indicates the target is older than 1976, rating is higher than 8.2 and effectively points to 8.3. Drama overlaps and crime does not. I am switching to a completely different candidate family and using a distinctive fragment for Sunset Boulevard, a 1950 drama rated 8.4, to test a much earlier classic and get fresh overlap information without repeating the previous pattern mindlessly. Type card is green. My guess, Sunset Boulevard is a movie, so target median equals movie. Year is farther and the up arrow means the target is newer than 1950. Rating is within 0.5 and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 8.4. Overlap shown. Drama is green. No actor overlaps are visible for William Holden, Gloria Swanson, or Erich von Stroheim, and no director overlap for Billy Wilder. Constraints. The target is a movie released after 1950 but still before 1976 for prior feedback. Has IMDb rating below 8.4 and above 8.2, so likely exactly 8.3. Includes drama and does not include those listed actors or Billy Wilder. Avoid repeating Sunset Boulevard. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The newest feedback shows the target is newer than 1950, older than 1976, has rating lower than 8.4 and higher than 8.2, which strongly suggests 8.3, and drama overlaps while film noir and crime do not. 12 Angry Men is a drama from 1957 with rating 9.0, so it is a strong era probe that may reveal cast or director overlap and further narrow the classic drama target. Type card is green. My guess, 12 Angry Men is a movie, so target median equals movie. Year is farther and the down arrow means the target is older than 1957. Rating is farther and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 9.0. Overlap shown. Drama is green and crime is not on target. No actors overlap among Henry Fonda, Lee J. Cobb, and Martin Balsam, and no director overlap for Sidney Lumet. Constraints. The target is a movie released before 1957 and still after 1950 from the prior row, as rating below 9.0 and consistent with earlier clues around 8.3 to 8.4, includes drama and does not include crime nor those listed actors or Sidney Lumet. Avoid repeating 12 Angry Men. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Type card is green. My guest witness for the prosecution is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther and the down arrow means the target is older than 1958. Rating is within 0.5 and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 8.4. Overlap shown, drama is green, while crime and mystery are not on target. No actors overlap among Tyrone Power, Marlene Dietrich, and Charles Laughton, and no director overlap for Billy Wilder. Constraints: the target is a movie, released before 1958 and still after 1950 from earlier feedback, has IMDb rating below 8.4 and above 8.2, so like the 8.3, includes drama and does not include crime or mystery nor those listed actors or Billy Wilder. Avoid repeating witness for the prosecution. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The newest visible feedback row for witness for the prosecution shows year older than 1958, rating lower than 8.4 but within 0.5. Drama overlaps, and crime and mystery do not, with no cast or director overlap. Casablanca fits many constraints as an older drama without crime or mystery and may expose romance, war, cast, or director overlap to finish within the remaining guesses. Type card is green. My guess Casablanca is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther and the up arrow means the target is newer than 1943. Rating is within 0.5 and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 8.5. Overlap shown, drama and romance are green, while war is not on target. No actors overlap among Humphrey Bogart, Ingrid Bergman, and Paul Hemade, and no director overlap for Michael Curtiz. Constraints: the target is a movie, released after 1943 and before 1958 from the prior row, has IMDb rating lower than 8.5 and consistent with earlier clues around 8.3, includes drama and romance, and does not include war nor those listed actors or Michael Curtiz. Avoid repeating Casablanca. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The latest feedback row shows the target is newer than 1943, rating lower than 8.5 but still near 8.3. Drama and romance overlap, and war does not, while earlier rows place it before 1958 and exclude crime and mystery. All About Eve is a 1950 drama romance with IMDb 8.2, fitting the genre and period window tightly and likely to give decisive year or overlap information before the final guess. Type card is green. My guess All About Eve is a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is farther and the up arrow means the target is newer than 1950. Rating is within 0.5 and the up arrow means the target rating is higher than 8.2. Overlap shown, drama is green, while no romance overlap is visible for this row. No actor overlaps are visible for Bette Davis or George Sanders in the screenshot, and no director overlap is visible. Constraints: the target is a movie, released after 1950 and before 1958 from earlier rows, has IMDb rating above 8.2 and below 8.4, so very likely 8.3, includes drama, and the synopsis strongly points to a silent film transition Hollywood story. Avoid repeating All About Eve. Type card is green, so target medium equals movie. The visible latest feedback and synopsis indicate a movie newer than 1950, before 1958, rated above 8.2 and below 8.4, with drama overlap, and the synopsis points directly to a silent hero star and chorus girl during Hollywood's transition to talkies. Singin' in the Rain precisely matches that description and period, making it the strongest final answer guess. Got it. The answer was Singin' in the Rain, and it took 9 guesses. The big tells were that it was definitely a movie, locked into the early 1950s with an 8.3 rating, and the romance overlap plus the final synopsis about silent films shifting to talkies in Hollywood made it click.